Hello guys and welcome back to the Medium related YouTube channel. How are you my friends? Welcome to March 2024. So I hope you have a wonderful month this one my friends, and today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to remove your Medium story from paywall. So for example my friends, what happens is that we are going to do it from two places. Once already published story. So this is an already published story. I have three dots with me over here. I'll click more and click edit story. You have to follow these steps my friends carefully if you want to remove your story from the paywall, meaning you won't be getting any money from your stories. So my friends, now what I'm going to do is near this notification balloon, I'm going to click three dots, and here I have an option, manage paywall settings. I'll click it. So what happens is that you see this tick mark, paywall your story. This makes it eligible to earn money with the partner program my friends. So I'll just uncheck it and save it my friends. This will take it out of the paywall. So now what we are going to do my friends, we are going to try to write a brand new story. So let's say my friend who requested me this video, Qayyum, his name is Qayyum. He always changes his medium profile name. I think it's Flow Writer these days. So I'm going to refer to him as Qayyum. Islamic message. He's a really, and I'm going to write something A B C D E F G H. What I'm going to do, this is in editing mode, right? So I'm going to put these three dots on, and as you can see, you cannot see this option while you are editing it or before you publish it. You have to publish it and then you have to go through that same procedure that I showed you my friends. So let's say that let's do a test my friends. Let's make it unlisted. I'll just go to test and just publish it. Publish it. And yes my friends, this is what I wanted to show you. This is very good my friends. So we have an option over here. When you publish your story, paywall your story, this makes it eligible to earn money with the partner program. So you just uncheck it over here and publish the story my friends. So I have showed you both the ways my friend, just before publishing and after you have published. I hope you have found this medium.com tutorial useful my friends. Shout out to my friend Q who suggested me for this tutorial my friend. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel, press the bell notification for future updates. And don't worry my friends regarding the profile image and the banner. I'm making it up my friends. I'm going to fix this channel and this will be more active this month hopefully. Take care my friends.